Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something very different on this channel. So I am going to take a 7-day challenge with you guys wherein I will use Multani Mitti on my face for 7 straight days. Now as you can see, my skin is literally messing up with me. You can see these pimples and a lot of pimples on my forehead, which is why I thought I will apply some Multani Mitti on my face. And I have a wedding to attend in 10 days, so I thought this would be really good time for me to do this. Now if you are from the oily skin family, I think you can also pull this off, but you need to do a patch test first before going in with any sorts of DIY face mask for your face. Even when you try some product from outside, I think you should go ahead and use some patch, like do some patch test on your face, like near your face, and then go ahead and apply it all over your face. That is my suggestion. So if you've been around my channel for a while now, you must have known I am from the oily skin family, and Multani Mitti is really great for people who have oily skin. The excess production of oil that you have on your face, it is really good for you to use clay masks. So any sorts of clay masks that are available in the market, you can go ahead, try those according to your needs and preferences. There are n number of clay masks available in the market as of now. You can go ahead, buy one of those, do a patch test, and then go ahead and apply it all over your face. But today we are going to take Multani Mitti and try that. Now I am going to be taking it really simple. I don't like to experiment a lot with my Multani Mitti. I am not a fan of rose water or aloe vera gel to mix with my Multani Mitti and use on my face. I simply use it with some water and turmeric. There might be some variations that I might make in this 7 days time duration, so I'll keep you posted with that as well. And we are going to see this face for 7 good days, and I'm going to show you how it worked out for me. So please stay tuned to see what exactly is the result of this experiment or challenge that I'm doing for 7 good days on my face. Now I know for sure that this is not going to harm my skin at all because I've done this. Now usually in the times of summer and monsoon, my skin produces a lot of oil, a lot. As you can see, I've just used some moisturizer, but my skin looks pretty oily, and which is why I use Multani Mitti face mask, and it really works out for me even if I use it every day. I don't go ahead and use it every day for like good 10 days or good 15 days or 1 month. I don't usually do that. I basically skip some days in between to give my skin some rest. You should also do that. So if you're also taking this challenge, please do let me know. And anything else that works out for you, if you're from the dry skin family or you're from oily skin family, please do let me know and comment down below, or you want me to take some more challenges like this one. So yeah, I think that's it. So you can see I have some Multani Mitti with me right here, and I have used some water, and I am just going to dilute this and use it all over my face. And once I'm done, I'm going to come back and show you guys. So starting with day 1, I have kept it pretty simple and applied a very thin layer, and I've kept it for good 20 minutes, and then I'm just going to wash it with some cold water. So this is what it looks like when it's dry. Somebody should cast me in a horror movie. And post washing my face, this is how my skin looks like. Then I'm gonna go with my skincare. I'm gonna use my serum from Belif, and then I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize the shit out of my face because Multani Mitti tends to dry your face, so you should moisturize your face pretty well. And do not forget to moisturize your lips as well. So I'm gonna use some Nivea original lip care to moisturize my lips. So even on day 1, my skin feels pretty clear, but let's see how this challenge goes ahead. As you can see, for day 2, I've kept a pretty thick layer. Yesterday I went ahead with a thin layer, but today I kept a little thick layer and washed it off with some water, and you can see how glowing my skin looks and clear it looks right now. And for the 3rd day, I mixed a little bit of tomato juice in my Multani Mitti and applied it all over my face. This took a little more time to dry than normal, but the results are amazing. Tomato is known for making your skin glowy, and I follow the same routine for day 4 and day 5, and you can literally see by the end of the video, even in these slides, you can see that how my skin looks glowy and how my pimples have almost started to vanish. So for day 5 as well, I used some tomato juice and multani mitti on my face, and it instantly brings a lot of glow to your face. You should definitely go ahead and try this if you want some instant glow. I couldn't really film for day 6 and 7 because I had to leave early for the wedding, so which is why I couldn't really film. But you guys, my skin was glowing all through the wedding. So if you want some instant glow, if you are looking to try out multani mitti on oily skin type, you should definitely go ahead and try this, and keep watching and following my channel for more such videos. Bye.